Okay, so we're going to start out with some sugar, a container to hold the tea in, some Tazel ice passion, some lemons, some lemonade, fresh lemonade, and some ginger beer. And that's all the ingredients you're going to need in order to make this Starbucks Copycat passion fruit tea. So we're going to go ahead and go in with some passion fruit and some hot water. And we're going to go ahead and brew the tea really quickly. It doesn't take that long. My advice would always do it this way because it is so tasty and so delicious. Okay, so since the tea has now stopped brewing or is done brewing, let's go ahead and add this to the container that we're going to be mixing all of our ingredients in. So right here I have the fresh squeezed ice lemonade. I'm just going to go ahead and add all of the lemonade to this container. And just for added extra measure, I like to add a little squeezed lemon, and save your lemons on the side as well too, because we're going to be adding those later. So let's go ahead and add this ice. So those lemons you had, go ahead and add them. That's right, nothing goes to waste. Give it a quick stir. This is going to be so delicious. And what you're going to do is add some sugar. Now the sugar is to taste. So the sweeter it is, and the sweeter you want it, the more sugar you add. Go ahead and give this a quick stir. So there you have it. Now look at that drink. Easy, super easy to do. Now for the twist. Let's go ahead and add this ginger beer on top. And trust me, when you add this ginger beer on top, you will never go back. Because this ginger beer just sets the tone for this drink. So enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. And also, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And with that, I will see you in the next video. I'm out.